Hello, today we will guide you through how to access Cloudflare Zero Trust. To begin, open your Cloudflare dashboard and make sure you are on the domains overview page for your account. This is the main area where you can view and manage your Cloudflare services, so it is a good starting point before moving into the Zero Trust setup. If your dashboard looks slightly different, that is normal, since layouts can vary a little depending on account type or recent updates. The important thing is that you are signed in and viewing the main account dashboard. Once you are there, look to the left-hand navigation menu and find the option labeled Zero Trust. Click on that to continue. This section is where Cloudflare provides access to tools for secure access, network protection, and related configuration options. If you are using Zero Trust for the first time, this area may open to an introduction or setup screen rather than a full dashboard, which is expected. After that, click on Get Started. This takes you into the onboarding process for Zero Trust. At this stage, Cloudflare is preparing to guide you through the initial setup so you can enable the service for your account. Take a moment to read the page if needed, especially if you are new to the platform, since it may include a short explanation of what Zero Trust offers and how the setup will work. Next, click on Choose a Plan. This is the point where you select the Zero Trust plan that best fits your needs. Depending on what is available in your account, you may see different plan options with varying features. Review the options carefully before moving ahead so you choose the one that matches your intended use. If you are just getting started, it can be helpful to read any included plan details before confirming your selection. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Cloudflare will walk you through the remaining steps directly within the interface. Since this part can vary depending on your account, selected plan, or existing configuration, simply continue through each prompt as it appears. Be sure to read each screen carefully and confirm your selections before finishing. Once the onboarding is complete, you should have access to the Cloudflare Zero Trust area and be ready to continue with any additional configuration your organization requires. That's it for this guide on how to access Cloudflare Zero Trust.